The video is specific for FIEPOS devices that have hand key connectors. For instructions on other connectors, please refer to our other video guides. Please take note of the following. When disconnecting, it is important not to forcibly unplug the connector. Make sure to pull on the plug and not on the cable. Ensure that the main supply is switched off before working. We'll start with the hand key connector. First, carefully push the locking lever to the outside left upwards. Second, pull the hand key connector out downwards. Finally, the hand key connector is now completely unplugged. For instructions on circular connectors, check out our other video guide. For the second hand key connector, follow the procedure from the first hand key connector. All connectors are now detached and the device is disconnected. Thanks for watching. For more, check out our PULS channel or our website.